Welcome back to the channel, I'm Lee and today we're working on the Fiesta again. Last time you seen the Fiesta was probably when we were at Ford Fair on track.
He's doing an overtake! He's going for it!
A few things that we found on track were it handles awesome, which is a good thing. The bad thing, it wasn't very good in the straights. Need a little bit more power, so our friend Turbo Performance, Vince, has kindly donated a stage 4 turbo for us. So today we should be hopefully pushing this car from Revo stage 2, which is around about 230 brake. We should hopefully see about 300 plus, hopefully, fingers crossed. And we've also got a Turbo Smart actuator that we're going to be fitting onto it. So I'm going to try and do my best to fit this myself. I'm probably going to have to ask Ben for a bit of help, but Ben! Who knows, we'll crack on from here and we'll see how we get on. And that. So, got the original turbo off, as you can see. I've taken it off with the manifold, making it a little bit easier for myself. The new turbo that's going to be going on, it's a case of undoing the manifold bolts, swapping it over, boost pipe, wastegate, swapping them over. Also, we're going to be fitting a Turbo Smart boost gauge, a Turbo Smart actuator. Now, this has got a stronger spring in. So we need this to be braking at 9 psi, I think Ben said. So I'm going to be using the Mitivac to make sure I can get that opening at the right points, which is 9 psi. So it's going to be a little swapping things over and then going from there really. So I finally changed everything over from the original turbo. I put the new actuator on and using the Mitivac I've got it to break open at 9 psi, so it's just a case of fitting it back on and putting a map on it then. Should be good to go. But a little bit about the turbo itself. I've got Darren to send me all the information about it. So this is from Mark itself. It's a 360 thrust bearing, step gap piston rings, 6-blade billet, 60mm wheel, large turbine wheel capable of 300 brake horsepower plus. So we're winning on that. Not doing that. So that's the oil in, turbo's on, putting everything back together, topped up the coolant. It's always best, I've been told by Ben, to always change the oil after putting a new turbo on. You never know if there's going to be any particles from the old turbo, so we only changed it just before Ford Fair. It was the day before Ford Fair, which is only a couple of weeks ago, but like we say, we're putting a new turbo on, so it's just better safe than sorry really. We're just about to crank her over to build up the oil pressure, and then it'll be time to put the map on, and then we should see what power it makes on the dyno tomorrow. And that. So we just primed it all with the oil. It's ready to start up for the first time now after fitting a new turbo. So we'll give it a go and see what it sounds like. Well, we just loaded a map. I'm just about to load the car onto the dyno and we'll see what power we're making, but fingers crossed we can get over the 300 mark, but we'll soon see. Literally last time we were on a dyno we run I think it was 202 brake. We were having issues with boosting and, well, just really getting any power whatsoever out of it, but hopefully it should all go to plan and we should be over the 300 mark and a Fiesta can be in the 300 crew. So just loaded the car on a dyno now. We're about to do the first run. Everything's up to temperature. We checked all the oil, make sure just in case, although we've only just put oil in. Always good to check your oil before you go onto the dyno and your coolant levels. So first run, let's see how we get on. So Al just tells us we run 268 brake at the wheels and doing a conversion. That's 326 brake horsepower. So yeah, one more run for good luck.
So, right, we're back here on the Monday morning after Supercar Sunday. It was a great event. If you haven't already, check them out on Instagram, Supercar Sunday __. We'll put a link down below. So, as you will have seen in the beginning of the video, we actually installed a new hybrid turbo on this little ST180 track car of ours, proudly supplied by Turbo Performance. We were, well, to say the least, shocked by how it did on Saturday, and really pleased, in all fairness. We've had a bit of a tinker with it, got it back on the dyno. We actually put some new plugs and another set of coil packs in this on Sunday before the run, and then we decided we were going to finish this video off anyway, so we might as well do some more runs, and consistently we achieved around about 270 wheel horsepower, which translates loosely to about 325 at the flywheel, and that's just under 300 foot-pounds of torque as well. So amazing, absolutely mega, really chuffed with this. A lot of people drove this on Sunday or went out with Lee. And that had a spin in it. A lot of the car community and guys who've got really powerful cars and planned on doing track cars for this year or next. So they were absolutely overwhelmed by the car, is definitely the best description of it. And it really did shock and surprise a few of the Ford haters. So we're over the moon with what we've achieved. It's finished now, that's it, done. No more, finito. It's not done for the content because we've yet to do some draggy runs and get this out on track properly other than Ford Fair. So if you enjoy this sort of content, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon to stay notified, give this a thumbs up. Thanks to Vince at Turbo Performance, and we'll see you in the next video. I'm Darren Evans and this has been 𝙏𝙬𝙧𝙀.